Thank you, sir, for this opportunity on this wonderful day.
छाया जी थोड़ा
But, sir, I would like to say that we are here celebrating the International Women's Day. 90% of our women in the rural areas or urban areas do not know that there is a day specially carved for them, and they do not know that there has to be a celebration on this day. Sir, I would like to bring to your notice and to everybody here that we are not talking about Women's Celebration Day here and talking to each other about empowerment, but we are talking about a participatory democracy in this country where every woman needs to live with a life of dignity, to take part in this democracy, and that is why only one instance comes to my mind as a women's rights crusader, that you take centuries in the past and maybe in the future, there will never be a vision like Rajiv Gandhi's vision of bringing women into the local participation and to bring women as leaders.
Right.
Sir, a question was asked in this honorable house, how many women sarpanches have been there in the last 30 years after the 73rd and the 74th amendment? And so the answer given by the minister was, more than 1 lakh sarpanches, women sarpanches have come in this country. This would not have been possible unless there's a vision.
Okay,
Sir, I
Vijay.
wish that all these women get access to all the schemes, all the rights that have been given by this constitution, and every woman, empowered woman, should see that another woman gets empowered. Thank you,
Ma.
sir.
Thank you, Amy ji.